Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video we'll learn how to set a site as a home site in SharePoint Online. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's see how we can do this. Okay friends, so now we are on our SharePoint Admin Center, and before we proceed to set site as a home site, let me give you a brief introduction about what is the home site in SharePoint Online. Basically, a SharePoint home site provides us the customized landing experience, and which actually reflects the organization brand, voice and priority. Home site also serves as the gateway to other portals in our organization intranet. And in our organization, we need a home site not only to provide the best internet experience for the viewers, but also to take the advantage of the features like the SharePoint global navigation. We can use the SharePoint home site to provide a gateway to other high traffic portals. We can connect people with the internet wide search experience. We can showcase the targeted news and content, and we can also take the advantage of the new people engagement tool. So now what is the SharePoint home site? So we need one home site to take the advantage of these home site features, and home site will not replace any communication site or the team site, but instead it will provide us a landing place for our organization. Home sites are basically SharePoint communication site, and it have a special capabilities such as the being marked as an official source of news in our organization. So guys, when we set a communication site as a home site, it gives us the following features, like we can search for the content across the entire intranet. It will be then the official source of organization news. It will enable and customize the global navigation in the SharePoint app bar. We can use Viva connections to integrate our intranet into Microsoft Teams. So these are the few features when we set our SharePoint site as a home site. So guys, by two methods we can set our home site in our organization. The first method is the GUI method, and the second is the PowerShell. So there is one important thing before we proceed. Like, if your site you want to be your home site is currently your root site and you want it to be your home site, so first replace your root site with this site and then make this site your home site. And in your entire organization you can set only one site as your home site, not more than that. So friends, let's start setting up the home site. So in the SharePoint Admin Center, we'll click on settings, and let me open the active sites in the new tab. Okay, so in the active sites we have these many sites, and now we have to set the site with the name of home as our home site. So let's see if we'll set our site, team site, as a home site, we are able to do that or not. I will copy the link address, and if I'll go to my SharePoint Admin Center, and now in this tab if we'll go to settings, then we have an option of home site. We'll click on it, and here we have to enter the URL of our SharePoint site to set it as a home site. So you can see setting the communication site, the communication site you want to use as the main landing site for your internet. Setting the site at your home site enables extra capabilities automatically. So if I'll paste the URL over here, okay, so you can see it is giving us an error like this site is on hold. So most of the people send me a query like why we are getting this option. So basically we have applied a retention policy in our entire tenant, so that's the reason we are getting this message. So we have to go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center and then compliance, and then we have to exclude this site whichever we want to set as a home site. And after excluding the site, then we will be able to set any site as a home site. And after setting up the home site, then again we can add the home site in the retention policy. So, and this is team site, and if we will exclude this site, we will not be able to add it. So let's pick up any communication site. So I will select the site home. I will copy the URL of this site. I will go back to the settings, and now if I will paste the URL, still I'm getting the hold option. So first let's exclude this site home. So I will go to our Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and if you are SharePoint Admin Center, then you have to contact your global admin to go to compliance and then exclude this site from the retention policy. So let's first exclude this site. So now we'll go to the policies, and we have set up the retention policy, which is this. Let's select the radio button and let's click on edit. So it's loading. Now we'll click on next, again next, and you can see as of now all the SharePoint sites are included in this policy. Let's exclude the site first. Okay, after selecting the site, now we'll click on done. Okay, so now you can see our site is excluded. Now we'll click on next, next again, and then submit. Okay, so we have excluded the site. Now we'll go back to our SharePoint Admin Center. Let me refresh the page once. Now let me paste the URL. Okay, so now you can see we have got an option now. This site can be set as your home site. So if I will save it, so now you can see the current value, our site is now set as the home site. So friends, by this way we can set up the home site in our SharePoint Admin Center. That's conclude our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.